gosh, guys! This is slime. It is... Oh, well, I just opened it. And this is on sale because it's Halloween slime. Ooh. Oh my. Let's see if we can see down here. I'm going to make something hold right here. There you go. Look at this. Listen. It's that Dr. Squish slime. Okay, now if I put it back in the barrel. Oh, my puppy. Oh, sorry guys, my puppy is so cute. Comment if you love my puppy. Because he was free. I'm kidding, he wasn't. He was like $100. So cute. That's not a lot to me. Okay. Oh, look at it. Look at the products to make it look Halloweeny. It's so... That's so weird, guys. Sorry if that was loud. I need to tell you something. So at school today, I was walking down because my mom came in to pick me up, and my grandma, and this girl yelled, JJ! And I don't know if she was one of my fans. So if you're one of my fans, hi. I didn't know who you were, but like someone said JJ, and I was like, I don't know who you are. And then I had to walk. So if that was you, I'm sorry. If that was you, if you subscribed to me and you love me, I'm sorry. I didn't know you, but make sure to yell out next time you see me. Say, JJ, you're the YouTuber, stuff like that, and I'll for sure say hi and subscribe to your channel if you have one. Comment if that was you. Okay, bye. Like, subscribe.